I think I have some blind pimples right here, and right here. The one right here is kind of going away. I think I got this like sometimes maybe Saturday. Yeah, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be sharing with you this acne skincare routine. Not going to really talk much, just going to go through the process. So sit back, relax, and watch this. And these products that I'll be using are very new. If you haven't seen my previous video, if I don't post it on Wednesday, I'm going to post it on Thursday, and then I'm going to post this one on Friday. Okay? And like guys, because of the craziness, the chaos, I'm telling you, I think I fell back a little bit on my skincare routine. I was doing my skincare routine in the night, like 11 o'clock at night, like too late. And also I wasn't really doing skincare routine in the mornings because I did it so late in the night times. When I wake up in the mornings, I don't feel the urge to do skincare because it's almost like I just did my skincare routine just recently, like maybe a couple of hours ago. So in my mind, I'm like, I don't have to do a skincare routine, and then I'm just off to doing a lot of work. So I kind of slipped back a little bit on my skincare routine. But I planned so many videos to do, but because of what was happening, I couldn't film any videos. But anyway, I decided that I'm going to pull through today. I had a lot of work to do. We did laundry, we just did a lot of work today, and intense, okay, intense. But I'm going to be pulling through today. I'm going to share with you my like acne skincare routine because I think I have some blind pimples right here, and right here. The one right here is kind of going away. I think I got this like sometimes maybe Saturday. Yeah, so it just came and just went, or it's slowly going. And then I have one here. This one has been here since last week. I think last week Sunday, yeah, or last week Sundays actually. No, last week Sunday, yeah, last week Sunday, it has been here, and it was really big, and then it decreased in size. I think not even last week Sunday, maybe a couple, maybe 10 days now. This pimple has been here. It has gone down, but I can still feel it. You know, you might look at me and you might not see it, but I can feel it. So I know that a pimple is here. And I got a pimple around my ears right here, and guess what happened to that pimple? That pimple got big overnight. Because I didn't feel it anytime at all, but it got big overnight. And I think it's because of the work and just the, you know, the fact that I kind of slipped back a little bit with my skincare routine, because I had so much doing and stuff like that, and my nighttime skincare routine was a mess. I did it so late in the evenings, so I don't know. And just the anxiety of, you know, dealing with what was happening in my house, plus doing my skincare routine. I don't think like I don't know, it was just a stressful week. So I think I have a little bit of clogged pores right here, because, you know, yeah. But this pimple, it was like one night, it just, next morning I woke up, I think it's because I put the benzoyl peroxide on it, but the next morning I woke up, I was washing my face, and I just felt like this ball thing, and I just touched it, and then when I touched it, it just felt weird. So I got my little tool to extract the pimple, and I just gently press it on it, and I just saw this big old blackhead coming out. So I'm thinking that maybe the pimple here, the pimple here, and the pimple here, they're actually blackheads. Yeah, and that's because of clogged pores. And I think the blackhead came here because of the mask that I was wearing, and the blackhead came here because I think hair is irritated. Like, I always get pimples right here and right here. And then last night again, I was rushing to do my skincare routine, and I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't even quite remember what I did last night, but I just know that I did skincare routine last night. I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know. I don't even remember what I did, because I just went through the process. So I think I've got a little rash right here. So it's a lot, guys. It's a lot, I know, and I know that I'm going to overcome it. We just, you know, life sometimes it causes us to it, you know, yeah, life is just life, you know what I'm saying. And we can overcome whatever obstacles like are coming our way, but you know, sometimes battle wounds, like, it affects your skin, it affects a lot of stuff, like a lot of stress. Oh my gosh, but I'm going to conquer. I'm going to get over. Even my hair right now, guys, as you can see, I'm not wearing my hair. This is not even one of the headband wigs. It's not the headband wig, just a regular wig, and I just decided to put a headband over it, because this has been my thing before even the whole headband wig thing came up. Because I'm not gonna like take my money to buy a wig, a headband wig. Well, maybe if I have extra money, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I wouldn't necessarily purchase a headband wig right now, because I actually have a wig. So I think that I can finesse my old wig and turn them into a headband wig. But if I have extra money and I want to like purchase a headband wig because I want a headband wig, then maybe I would purchase. So yes, if I don't post it on Wednesday, that is. So continue watching, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and just share the love. Oh my gosh, I'm so exhausted. You know, not really exhausted, more like relief, because oh my gosh, this has been a trip this week, and the rain in Jamaica, oh my gosh, it's crazy. Alright, but this is it for me, guys. Watch the video and so forth, and when you've come to the end of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Really appreciate it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.